But when you go, don't ever think I'll make you try to stay. And maybe when you get back, I'll be off to find another way. And after all this time that you still owe, it's still a good for nothing I don't know. So take your gloves and get out, baby, get out while you can. When you go, and would you even turn to say, I don't love you like I did yesterday? Sometimes I cry so hard from bleeding, so sick and tired of all the needless beating. But maybe when they knock you down and out is where you ought to stay. And after all the blood that you still owe, another dollar's just another blow. So fix your eyes and get up, better get up while you can. Wow, wow. When you go, and would you even turn to say, I don't love you like I did yesterday? When you go, and would you have the guts to say, I don't love you like I loved you yesterday?